Hello, this is Rhonda. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Right now I am doing mainly beauty related things, but I do plan on adding all kinds of things in the future, like spoilers and home renovations. I even plan on sharing my weight loss journey and my health journey and pretty much all kinds of things with you all. Of course, if it's not anything you're interested in, you don't have to feel obligated to watch. But I just want to share all kinds of things, and especially in a time like this to where so many of us can't get out and about. I know so many people rely on social media for their outlet, and I understand that. So I really want to try to share as much as I possibly can, and I want to thank everyone that watches and subscribes. You all mean so much to me, and I also want to apologize for that noise. I know it's annoying, but it's just so hot in this house. I really don't want to do videos and have you all see sweat dripping down my face, so I hope that doesn't bother you. I've tried to start my videos first thing this morning before it got real hot, but it has taken all day to get to this point because of helping Levi with his studies, because he's doing the online school this year, helping him get everything set up and just doing things in between. It has taken me all day just to, in between helping him to get my makeup on and get started. So I am now trying to get these done. I decided to go ahead and put eyelashes on because I did the, I think it's called Life's a Drag, I think it's what it's called, the Mani palette. So I thought since I did a little bit bolder look than I usually do, I'd go ahead and try the eyelashes. What do you guys think? I did do a review on that, and I did a review on pretty much everything I have on my face, and that video will be posting just as soon as I get all my box post up, or whatever you want to call it, the videos. And I've got another box from my Boxycharm. This is a base box. This is variation 2, and it weighs a pound. And let's see, this was my choice in it. I got another one of these, but I just got a different shade so I would know if which one worked, or have one that worked, or have a variety. So this is in the color Swan. This is the lighter shade. I really like this. There will be a video where I'm reviewing these two on it. I really like this. I think I'm going to like this better than any other concealer I've tried so far. This is, I know my eyes don't look really concealed right now, but I did put this on about 12 hours ago. So that is, to me, I think that is covering, staying pretty good. That retails for $29. Let me open my calculator again so I can tell you the value of this box. It says conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch with a super perfecting natural finish concealer, makeup hybrid, full loaded pigments, provide maximum coverage with an undetectable finish for a look so flawless they'll think you were born this way. So there's that. Let me get this over here so I can show you this without opening up the other one, because that's the same thing. And then the next one, I got another one of these, which I'm not upset about that. I love good skincare. This is the Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. This retails for $44.95, and this says, greet the day with glowing skin. Hydra Sleep Serum instantly absorbs with a triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time-released multi-depth hydration for fully hydrated skin that glows. wake up looking fabulous and greet the day with glowing skin. I will definitely try this tonight. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. Oh, well, again, since you might not have watched the other video, you see it really melts right into your skin. As soon as it hits the warmth of your skin, it's absorbed. So I wanted to show you that because I've already opened that one. And then I got another one of these. If you want to see the swatches, I did them in the other palette. I will attempt to leave the link to the other one above that has the swatches to this. I'm putting this up. It will go into a future giveaway, and that is the Violet Voss Essential 2 palette, valued at $36. It says these 10 eyeshadow pans of pure bliss provide all the everyday hues you need to create your go-to soft glam, as well as vivid pops of color to liven up your look. Let me get the other one just to show you. I really do like my other Violet Voss, not Vivian. I really do like that the number one. It's not like one of the palettes I grab all the time, but then again, with the virus and everything, the only time I pretty much put on very much makeup is to do videos. Like I said, I did do the swatches if you're curious. Oh, I actually still have them on my hand. There's the swatches, my arm. There was the swatches. But of course you can go watch the other video too if you like. So I got that. Did I tell you? Yeah, that was $36. And then I got another Clarins Velvet Lip Protector, but this was in the color Velvet Nude. The other one, I think it was, is Velvet. I just dropped it. It was in a different color. Oh yeah, this is even different colored package. This says it retails for $26. It says Clarins best-selling natural lip perfectors go bold with a new matte finish. A liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvet finish with soft blur effects. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. And again, this retails for $26. And it has the foam-like applicator. You squeeze it, you can see the color coming to the surface there. It is a brown color. Let's see. That is actually the color of the one that I just swatched in the other one. So got that. And then I got another I Am Strong Definer eye pencil, which I'm assuming it is the same thing. Let me see if they have anything different on them. I don't think so. Everything appears to be the exact same. I did swatch this. Let's see if I still have the swatch here somewhere. I think that was it right there, actually. So this, I don't want to open it because that too will go in a future giveaway. And that says, this long-lasting micro-tip pencil allows you to create individual-like hairs for a subtle or bold brow look. Its creamy wax-based formulation glides beautifully and naturally on skin. This waterproof pencil is stress-free to help you through any challenges you face in life. And that retails for $16. So this box also retails for $151.95, and most of the things in the second box will go to future giveaways because I got duplicates, but like I said, I'm not mad about it because I know when I get it, that's a good possibility. And this Too Faced cost more than the box, and I've been wanting to try their concealers for a long time, and they're very seldom ever on sale, and I think they're like $29. Is that what it said? I think it's $29. Yeah, those are $29, and I don't recall ever seeing them on sale. Actually, I've been wanting to try them for a long time, but I have so many different concealers, I just couldn't justify spending $29 for another one when I really do have enough. But my eye area is something that really bothers me, so I'm very happy if that's the only thing out of the second box I use, and the rest of the stuff go into a future giveaway, which I am going to be making a video on that in just a few minutes. So I think that wraps it up for my second box. Please remember to click the thumbs up button for me, and thank you all so much for watching. If you're new, please consider subscribing. I love you guys. Bye bye.